Before you start, you're going to want to clean the threads out. Strong thread chaser down inside of them. They're 5/16 18. This disc here comes with a little spacer right there. That's for using on earlier wheels. Because this disc will fit early or late. The difference is the whole section here is different. Earlier model. The hub ain't quite as, the lip on the hub ain't quite as big. Everything's clean when you put it on there. You don't want any grit. Now these bolts here, you're going to torque them to 16 to 24 is what they say in the manual. I usually do 22 or 20. It's perfect. Miles were on this wheel. Somebody gave it to us, and it was off 04, I think. That's about it for this one. Now remember, you're going to torque that. I'll cover that when I actually put the front wheel in. Let's go balance this thing. Or I'm going to go balance it. I'm not doing a video because I already did video on that once. On static balancing wheel. Alright. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Appreciate you. Thank you.